Didsbury Art Studio. I'm Sally and I'm an art teacher. And in today's video, we're going to be doing a little bit of smocking. Now, smocking is kind of using fabric manipulation to transform fabric. So I found one that I really want to do. It's called a rose design. So shall we get into this? I looked online. There were many variations that people had used, dashes and dots. But I found this template way the easiest, so I'm not going to take any credit for this. I found it on the internet. Literally had this grid that was made up for the last smocking piece that I did, 1-inch squares. This is the template that we want to create, and this is the size that I chose to do, but there are many different sizes you can do. But what I recommend is 5 squares across, 3 down, 3 across, 5 across here, and 5 down here. So it looks like an E but doesn't join up there. You need to cut out the template. 5 roses across and 5 down. So with the template that I was using, I decided that the fabric that I already had, because I actually made a hat from this fabric. And so I did 36 inches across. You sew on the wrong side, and I also put an inch in between my designs. It's really easy to match up your template because you just do a chalk line across your fabric and then you put your template directly underneath it. The size that you choose for the fabric, it's going to decrease by 1/3 of that size, that overall size, so it's going to shrink. To just start off here, sort of going clockwise direction. This is my strongest thread that I've got. It's upholstery thread, and thread that's not going to break easily. So I'm going to head down here, around, and we're going to end up here. Just head down to the end of this line here. There we go. And pull the thread now. And it's gone really nice and tight. To tie a couple of knots, you go to the next drawing and just start in exactly the same place, the whole shape again. We're going to pull the fabric. So tight as you can, side by side, and then we're going to continue the process. Looks like that. It seemingly gets quite tricky. You've got to keep turning your fabric around, just making sure that you're following those lines exactly. Starting to take shape. I've done 2 rows now of 5, so I've got 3 more to go. On the last one here. So that's it, and just turn it over. This is the right side, so you can see all the roses are on there. Now if you find that some of the roses haven't twisted the way that you want, grab a pair of tweezers. Literally just put your tweezers in the middle of a rose and just start twisting it, and you can manipulate the fabric a little bit more. This video today, don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out the other playlists that I've got. Have a good week. Hope you enjoyed the technique, and I'll see you very soon. Bye.